Forget what you know about standard pocket flashlights. Today, we are looking at an absolute multi-tool powerhouse that fits right in the palm of your hand. Look at that. Pen, light. We are checking out the incredible versatile 800-Lumen EDC flashlight. It claims to be the ultimate daily carry and emergency survival tool. But does it actually hold up? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the main beam. The compact light pumps out a brilliant 800 lumens and throws that light over 300 feet. You get high, medium, and low settings, plus a strobe for emergencies. It is powerful enough for almost any task, ensuring you are never left in the dark. But what makes this light truly unique is that it is essentially a multi-tool. It features 11 versatile lighting modes. There is a built-in side light that gives you a standard floodlight, but also red and blue and a red and blue flashing mode for roadside emergencies. Navigating all those modes is incredibly easy too. Instead of clicking one button a dozen times and guessing what settings you are on, this pocket flashlight uses 3 independent switches. You can get instant, intuitive access to exactly the light you need without the frustration. Now, when it comes to power, it is a fully USB-C rechargeable and features a crystal clear 4-level battery indicator so you can always know your power status from 100% down to 25%. My absolute favorite feature, though, is the dual magnetic design. There is a magnet on the tail and another magnet on the pocket clip. If you are popping the hood to do a routine engine belt or inspecting the undercarriage of a cargo trailer, you can just snap it into any steel surface. To top it all off, it is packed with a real survival tools, including a built-in bottle opener and a heavy-duty tungsten glass breaker. And not to mention, it has a red laser, and it is seriously bright. For a light this small, it packs an unbelievable amount of utility. Whether it goes in your glove box, your tool bag, or your pocket, this is a must-have piece of everyday carry gear. Check the link in the description to grab yours today. If this review helped you out, man, hit that like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and stay safe out there.